I have the Samsung Smart TV and I'll be showing you how to use a USB flash disk or flash drive on this TV. So what you need to do is simply plug in your USB flash drive to the USB port at the back of your TV. Now most TVs will come with either one or two USB ports and you just have to plug it into any. So just go to the back of your TV and plug in the USB drive. Now once it's plugged in, as you can see, it will automatically pop up and show you the contents of the USB flash drive, and you can navigate using a remote control through the files and folders inside that USB flash drive. So you can access folders, you can go back, access another folder, go back, and you can even filter the items by videos. You can choose to only look at photos, music, or recorded content. Okay, then you can also sort them by title, and then you have a few options here. You can play selected stuff. That's basically how to use a flash drive. Now, in case your Samsung TV doesn't pop up the USB flash drive and it still remains on the home screen, you can navigate to the flash drive by going to the connected devices, and then under connected devices you should see your disk. So select it and that opens your flash drive. Now your flash drive can contain movies, music videos, whatever it is that you want to watch through your USB flash drive. But different Samsung TVs have different formats that they are able to play and different video codecs that they are able to play, and some will not be able to play. So I'll leave a list or a chart in the description, in the article linked in the description, that will show all the formats you can expect to be able to play on your Samsung Smart TV. But for this one, it looks like these MP4 videos can be played, so I'll just play one quickly straight from the flash drive, and there you go. Simple as that. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.